Today, we're gonna be learning how to make a clicker game. First, click on the costumes. Delete the second sprite. Now, delete the entire cat sprite. Just like that. Now, you can draw any clicker sprite you want, but I'm gonna choose to do a red circle, as you see here. Center it and make it bigger, like this. 200 should be enough. Drag it to the left where you want it to be. Now we're gonna start coding. Go to events, pull out the when flag clicked, and make a new variable. First, delete the my variable. Name it money. You can always change it. Okay, let's move on. I'll name mine money. Now, set money to 0 from the variables. Go to the spot you want the circle to be. Now, drag out when this sprite clicked. Go to variables and change money by 1. Okay, save the project and we can test it. See, when you click it, the money gains more. And you can always reset it, and the money will change to 0. That's all for part 1. Subscribe for part 2.